Did you know that around 21 million adults in the UK have an allergy, and that an estimated 10 million people suffer from hay fever in England alone? With 90% of sufferers being allergic to grass pollen, whilst 25% are allergic to tree pollen. Hay fever can develop at any age, so look out for itchy eyes and runny noses. Though cute, pets are the second biggest cause of allergic reactions, and with around half of UK households owning a pet, that's a lot of itchy eyes and sneezes. It's not only the creatures you can see that cause reactions, dust mite droppings can too. An old mattress could be hiding up to 10 million dust mites. Luckily, Piriton can help provide relief for the symptoms of a number of allergies, including the reaction to some foods. Nearly 1 in 12 children develop a food allergy, so parents should be extra careful. Piriton isn't only for allergies. It can also provide relief against the itchy rash caused by chickenpox, which can take 2 to 3 weeks to completely disappear. About 90% of people will have had chickenpox by the time they're 15. The Piriton range can help provide you relief from a host of allergies, including these, and can be used by the whole family. Piriton, fast and effective relief for all your family's allergy needs.